Hi, KGM. We're going to do some work on math. I'm going to take over your screen and we're going to talk about subtraction. Remember that activity I did with subtraction? I'm going to do another one before we get started. I have 3 markers, and my friend Luciano asks for the red one. I give it to him. I have less markers. How many markers do I have left? 2. Guess what? We just did subtraction. Subtraction is when things get smaller. I'm going to take over your screen now and do some math with you. So this is a picture at the farm. We see that there are, let's count how many horses there are all together. We have 1 horse drinking water. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 horses off to the side. Now listen to my story. There were 5 horses drinking water. 4 walked away and 1 stayed. So we had 5 horses and 1 stayed and the rest walked away. How many horses walked away? Well, we know it's in that circle right there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's make that a number sentence. Five minus 1 equals 4. Make that a little bit bigger for you guys. We had 5 horses all together. 1 stayed behind to drink water. How many walked away? 4. Now we're going to look at the fox. The fox is collecting some water. How many buckets of water did he start with? Well, let's count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many did we start with? How many buckets of water did we start with? We started with 7. The fox took away 2. Do you see that? He took away 2 of my buckets of water. How many buckets were left? It's in that big circle. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Let's keep going. And I want you to learn that you can subtract by taking away from and taking apart. Let's look at this one. We see the fox is sharing some muffins with his friend, the raccoon. How many muffins did he start with? He started with 4. How many muffins did the raccoon take away? She took 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. He is left with 3 muffins. Now let's look here. How many kids are at the beach? Did you guys say 3? Yes, there are 3 kids at the beach. 2 kids ran into the water with their parents, of course. So how many kids are left on the beach? That's right, we have 1 kid. 1 kid left on the beach. Now let's look at the sand. Let's look at the buckets that they use to build sandcastles. I had 4 buckets and my brother turned 1 upside down. How many buckets are still the right way? There are 3 buckets standing upright. Another way you could do a subtraction sentence. How many shovels do we have? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 shovels. 2 of them are pink. The rest are blue. Let's do that again. We have 5 shovels. 2 of them are pink. I want to know how many blue I have. So if 2 are pink, then we do 5 minus 2 is 3. So your job today is to go off and do the daily work, which is a subtraction worksheet that's similar to this. I want you to, when you're done, you can either scan it to us, take a photo and send it to us via Seesaw. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to email. Keep it up, Heathcote Huskies. You've got this.